transmitter for the CCTV, and this wireless long range transmitter usually we also call for point-to-point or point-to-multipoint, the CP. And usually for point-to-point, you're like this topology graph. You can see we have one pair device, one for sender, one for receiver. Usually, sender connecting the NVR side, and the receiver connecting to the camera side. And for our CP point point, compared with like other brands like Ubiquiti, we have some good features. Like we support the 1K fast paired, and we support the pre-configuration, and even we support the standard PoE. As we know, the Ubiquiti use 24-watt passive PoE. Also, we have from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer solutions, and we support IP65 waterproof and 6 kV the lighting protector. Now, let me see. This picture usually show is a point to multiple point. You can see we have one sender. This sender connecting the NVR side, and for air pole we connect some cameras. We use another one for receiver, and we even use outdoor waterproof POC. Later, I will introduce this outdoor waterproof POC. It's a POC you can deploy outdoor, and it can offer 4 PoE and 8 PoE for cameras. Also can power up the point. So you can see every site as a receiver to connecting to the sender. And here I make a video to introduce our wireless transmitter introduction videos. Now we jump to the YouTube to see the video. The internet a little slowly.
WI-Tek wireless long-range transmitters have been redesigned and upgraded with a brand new look. From CPE 110 to CPE 511H, transmission distances are supported from 1 kilometer to 3 kilometers. You can make flexible choices according to the transmission distance. Open the bottom cover and adjust the LED digital button for quick pairing without a complicated setup. The CPE 513P and CPE 800 both support a maximum transmission distance of 5 kilometers, and the CPE 513P supports a PO output port, which can be directly connected to the IP camera. The CPE 821 supports one-touch quick pairing without web configuration. The CPE 821 and CPE 517 are ideal for point-to-multipoint CCTV monitoring projects. WI-Tek Cloud Service enable remote management and intelligent operation and maintenance of all devices, helping enterprise networks run efficiently. With WI-Tek, let's connect, innovate, and grow together.
Okay, and in this video, we can see we introduce different range of point, and we have a good feature. Is the first is we selling one pair two device in the box is prepared. So if you want to do point, you don't need to set anything. You just power up device, and it will auto connecting each other. And for point to multipoint, it's also very easy. We support 1K fast pair. Let me tell how to do. Here you can see we have a DIP switch. In the left side is AP mode, is send signal. In the right side, receiver mode is to receive signal. And so one in the left and another one in the right. And we set this button to set the number. SIM number is paired. So for setting point to multipoint, You don't need the laptop. You just use this we call the fast paired key. And here is another video. We tell how to quickly pair it by the DIP switch. Let's we see the video.
Welcome to the WI-Tek How To series. Today, we will explore how to pair up CPE devices through the DIP switch and LED screen channel. We will build the network based on this topology. The CPE on the right is the base station, and the CPE on the left is the client. Here, we have a pair of CPEs on the table, an IP camera, and a laptop for configuring CPEs and testing results. First, let's power up two CPEs through PoE Ethernet cables. Before pairing up, we need to reset both CPEs. Press the reset button for a few seconds until the LED screen begins to flash. Now we can see there are numbers on the LED screen of both CPEs. This picture shows how the DIP switch works. When you push the button to the H, it means this CPE works as the host, or you can also call it as the base station. And the C represents it works as the client on the side of each monitoring point. And we have set up the CPE on the right as the host, and the CPE on the left as the client through the DIP switch. Now, the channel on the LED screen shows 203, and we will adjust the numbers on both sides to the same number, 100. Next, let's start pairing up. First, press the button plus for a few seconds. After it flashes, you can click the plus or dash button to adjust the number. After finishing the pairing up, we can remotely log into the IP camera powered up by the client CPE through the laptop connected to the host CPE. And we can check the real-time monitoring video on our laptop. Thank you for watching this episode of WI-Tek's How To series. If you find our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube.
So you can see in just the video, we showed how to quickly pair it. And it's very easy. Just remember, one in the left H, another is another side C, and we keep same number, then it paired, like H60 paired with X660. So different number you can make a different group. Like you have three group, you can have first group with 60, next group is 70, and another group is 80. So they will not communication each other. Then here, this picture show our product family for our CP long range transmitter. You can see from here, we have from 1 kilometer solution, 2 kilometer solutions, 3 kilometer solution, and 5 kilometer solution. Each kit means we're selling one pair, two pieces in a box and prepared. So you don't need set anything. You just open box and power up and it will connecting. And this model is hot selling model because we design is with the one standard PoE and another PoE output. This PoE output for the power of one camera for directly. And if you want point model point, you can choose this one. The suggestion this CP821. It's a CP radio with a 360-degree antenna. So you can do a mini carriage, so 360-degree carriage. And its range is 2 kilometer. And this one is section antenna device, so it can cover the 150 degree. And if we want gigabit point-to-point, this model CP800 kit is a gigabit with 5 kilometer. So this is our product model family. Then we not only have a device, we also have designed some toolkit for our customer easily to use. This is a app, our cloud app. You can download WI-Tek Cloud to get this app, WI-Tek Cloud, in the iOS store and the Android store. And in the app, you can go to the register, then you can go to the My. And in the My, we have some toolkit. And the toolkit, we have a outside toolkit is CP tunes. Here, first one, you can see we design this tune for how to choose a model. When you choose go, you can say you need input how many kilometer you want to do a point. Okay, here I choose a 3 kilometer. And you need to tell us, and this 3 kilometer, you want carry how many camera? Okay, I choose maybe two pieces 300 megapixel camera, two pieces 4 megapixel cameras. Okay, then I continue. You can see we will tell you, okay, we recommend these two models you can use. So after you choose the right models, you need to think about another question: how to install quickly with the right high. How high you should mount your CP point. Usually we know we need when you do this point, you need a line of sight. But you know the wave is not directly. It's like a wave. Wave is like an egg. You need from here to around here. So in the middle, sometimes you have a train, you have some wall. So the train is h. You need over the train. So we need to calculate the how r. That means we can check how high you should mounting the CP point. So here is an easily calculator. You just input the frequency, like the model you use a 5.8, you choose a 5G, and you tell me the D1 plus D2, the range, and tell me the D2 range input here, and tell the H is the train or the wall, the height, and then calculate. Finally, we will tell you, okay, you need to install the CP at under the 15 meter. So then after we paired one pair device, we can connect to cloud. For our cloud, we have web cloud and app cloud. In the web cloud, you can see here we will show the truly topological graph. We can detect all the brand cameras by OnWave. Here is the activation, but we also can detect the Dahua, the Univeal, the Bosch, the Samsung, Hanwha, all brand cameras. And you can see in cloud, you can freely to remotely access the device, no matter from the P switch, our brand P switch, cloud P switch, and point. You can see here will show the signal, how about signal quality. And you should know here is a signal is managed a dB antenna, a dB value. Usually manage 70 is a limited value. If below 70, it means very bad value. Like minus 75 is almost cannot use. Minus 80 is already no signal. So we need less minus 70. And also in cloud, we can setting the frequency, the channel, and the power, transmit power, use our cloud. So you don't need go to set. Okay, so this is a point. Then I want to show solutions because we know every distributor, sorry, every installer, we meet a problem is we don't only want to know the device, we also want to know the solutions. So here we get a good solutions is a smart urban surveillance. Actually, is a outdoor CCTV solution for using the connecting in the city. And we will tell you how to use our CP point with some our auto usage to build these solutions. First, when we tell solutions, we need a requirement. Okay, usually for point or CCTV surveillance, we need to think about some problem. First, need a line of sight. Second, we need to think about how to power up your device and how to offer your internet for your NVR. So usually it's deploying some environment like square or factory or warehouse, and we also need to know what different about point or point, and what functionality we offer in our cloud service. So here I will show. First, we can see a point topology graph. You can see for point, we can use a one pair device to build a wireless link. Then in your control room side, you connect to the PU switch. Then PU switch connect to NVR to monitor. Okay. Then in the camera side, you can use the outdoor PU switch because camera usually deploy outdoor, so you cannot use the indoor PU switch deploy set. So we use the outdoor PU switch to power up cameras, power up CP point. So this is point. And we also think about the point. You can see here. We use the Omni antenna CP821. It can carry 2 kilometers, but 360 degrees. Then in every side, you can see we can use different receiver models connecting cameras. These are point solutions. Okay, then we are also thinking about how to connecting your camera to your NVR by the if sometimes you do because in the city sometimes you can use a point. Sometimes even you cannot use point. You need to use the point with even the 4G. So we also offer the outdoor 4G solutions. With outdoor 4G solution, it's easy. You just put SIM card, and it can offer the internet to your cameras. And in this situation, the camera will get the internet from not public IP. So sometimes if we want to use our NVR connecting cameras, we need to use VPN. But VPN need a public IP, need public IP. So we offer a free service we call SLAN. It can replace VPN. We just need in the NVR side, you prepare our brand gateway or our router connecting NVR, then connect to cloud. Then in the routers in the camera side, no matter you use 4G router or another router, and we can connect to cloud as a like a VPN setting, but it's very easy and no need public IP. So just I introduced many times about our outdoor switch. So here I will show our outdoor switch family. You can see this device all is support IP65 waterproof. You can deploy outdoor, no problem for waterproof. And it have like this model is 4 PoE megabit, and this model is 8 PoE megabit, and this is 4 gigabit PoE. This is 8 gigabit PoE. All is smart, and this is layer 2 managed, and it supports port 1 to port 2 support high PoE. High PoE we can offer the 60 watt, so you can power any PCG cameras. And the port 3 to port 4 it support AF80 standard PoE. So you can say this is outdoor usage. You can deploy other port directly, and it offers 4 PoE, 8 PoE, can power cameras, and it have the BT, and it lighting protect is a 6 kV. It can support a minus 30 to 60 degree, and it support cloud, so you can remotely control. So before, maybe you need to think about put a switch in a cabinet and prepare some lighting protector, prepare the power adapter, prepare the dim ring. So now you can see all in one. You just one device, you can equal so many devices. It's very simply. With our cloud, you can see you can remotely control PU switch. You can reboot the PU switch remotely. You can get alarm notification. If some camera reboot, some camera offline, you can get notification on your phone. And our PU switch support a good feature we call on-wave detection. That means you can detect all cameras and show in our cloud topology graph. So you can easily and uh, uh, freely to remote control your cameras. And our outdoor P switch supports some DIP switch functions. So you can see we have extend mode, so you can extend 250 meters. We know usually Cat 6 transmit 100 meters, but with under the extend mode, you can transmit power and data to at 250 meters. Here the BT ports, we support different PTZ cameras and high powered access point. Okay, this is a point one solutions families I just introduced. And for our various is a pre-configuration. So you can do nothing to setting for point to point. Even for point to multipoint, you just use the one key paired. Yeah, this is I just introduced. And for sometimes you need to use a pill switch. We suggest our cloud is smart pill switch, PCES 306. Is a P is PoE, C is cloud, ES is smart. So this serves it with some manager function. It's not a manager pill switch. It supports on-wave detection and it supports cloud. So with this pill switch, you can detect all your cameras in your project and put the camera on cloud. Yeah, you can see it's a cloud solutions, cloud pill switch. So with our cloud, we also have a good solution is a eWeb. With eWeb, you can do like this. Here is your set with your auto pill switch, power up camera, and with your CP point and wireless transmit to the your NVR set, connecting to the pill switch, connect to NVR, then connect to internet. So sometimes you are not in the set, you are not at home. Maybe you are in somewhere you want to visit your camera. So it's easy. You just log in our web cloud or app cloud, and you will find the cameras. Then you just do eWeb. You can see you just choose the cameras and choose the eWeb. It will connecting the cameras. Here I show a picture. You can see here is a topology graph in our cloud. You will see, okay, I will listen my camera, Hikvision. Then I press this icon. I can choose the eWeb and I will create a link. This link will work in 30 minutes for I remotely visit. I press this link. You can see I can enter into the web page of cameras. It's easy. And with our cloud, I also want to introduce another good function is a IPC local scan. Just the eWeb is you visit the camera with cloud. So that means you no need go to set, but you need to visit from our internet from cloud. But sometimes you are in the set, you want to visit the camera, you will see the video. So in our app toolkit, we have IPC scan function. In this IPC scan function, you can see first we need our app, our phone, to connect the same wireless network with camera. So now like our camera is a laser SSID, I connecting. Then I just need start scan. Then I will scan all the cameras with support on wave, support SDK. SDK means we were working with Hikvision, Dahua, Uniview, some brand SDK. So after we get cameras, if we have password, I will you can see even I can log in the watch the video. I can save a picture and then save the video. So let me see a video show how this function do.
Welcome to the WI-Tek Configuration and Application channel. Today, we will explore the capabilities of how to view local videos by WI-Tek Cloud app. In our newly released version of the WI local video through your cloud app phone. Now, let's on your cell phone. Before experiencing that brand new function, please make sure your device has connected to your local Wi-Fi, which connects to IP cameras through a wired network. Firstly, click the Toolkit to find the toolkit list. Next, click the Advanced button to find a new toolkit local video view. Click and experience it. After clicking that button, it needs you to confirm that your cell phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the project. If you've already connected to the same Wi-Fi, click Start. After that, our cloud will automatically scan your IP cameras with ONVIF protocol. After the scanning, you can find that the IP cameras are displayed on the topology, which shows how the devices connect. Just choose the IP camera you want to check, then it shows the information of that IP camera. Then click View Local Video to check the video stream on your cell phone. After that, sign on to the account and password for the IP camera. Log in to check. Now you can see the local video in real time. Let's move the camera to have a test. As you can see, it is a real-time video. Thank you for watching this episode of WI-Tek's Configuration and Application channel.
So you can see this is how work for the local video scan. I welcome every customer. You can try our local video scan and all eWeb. So it's a very good function. Also, the eWeb I want to say is we not only ONVIF detection, now we support SIP protocol detection. So that means we not only can detect camera, we can detect like a Yearlink VIP phone. We can detect some brand of IP speakers and some intercom. So this is the function. Okay. Then we back to the solutions. So this is eWeb. Then I just introduced 4G. So we also have some 4G solution. This three is outdoor 4G router. And we recommend this one because this outdoor 4G router, it have two PoE output. So you can power up two cameras. You put SIM card, you get the internet, and you can power up cameras. This is what it looks like. You can see you can put SIM card here. In America, we support T-Mobile card, and in Latin America, we support all brand operation. And it support you can do the DC in, then two PoE output. Also, you can one PoE input and one PoE output, and it can share the Wi-Fi also. So 4G for internet access, you can share Wi-Fi and power up camera by the LAN ports. This is a DC in, you can two PoE output, or you can choose a PoE in and one PoE output. PoE in, you can use a PoE switch and PoE injector to power this device. And I just see the SLAN, so we introduce some wired router, or we call it gateway. So this is two gateway. This is the 4.1. We both support 4.1, and we even support 2.5G WAN. So you can see this is 4 PoE. One port with 4 PoE LAN, but it can adjust to 4.1 maximum and support 4 PoE. So you can power some cameras, some access point, but it have gateway function. It have router function. And with our SLAN, you can see this SLAN compared with VPN, the best feature is no required public IP. So now I will show how to setting the SLAN by our cloud.
Welcome to the WI-Tek Configuration and Application channel.
Hola, Sergio, ¿me escucha?
Today we will explore the capabilities of the WI-Tek SD-LAN. SD-LAN, Software Local Area Network, is a software-defined intranet, a service formed by applying SDN technology to local area network scenarios for networking communication to achieve intranet access in different areas. For example, In a chain enterprise, if the branch wants to access the internet server of the headquarters, it can easily build SD-LAN technology through the cloud platform to realize the cross-region internet interconnection channel. Next, we will demonstrate how to configure SD-LAN on the cloud platform. This is the dashboard of our cloud platform. As we can see, we've created two projects. This one is Wuhan, which is the branch. This one is Shenzhen, which is the headquarter. This is the topology of the Wuhan office. This is the topology of the Shenzhen office. To create a SD-LAN network, you need to click the Service button, then click the SD-LAN configuration on the left. Then you just click Add SD-LAN, and you can customize a name. And the network model chooses Star Network. In a star network, a network device needs to be selected as the central node of the network, and other nodes are connected to the central node through IPv4. Then you need to choose a center node, which must have a public IPv4 address. Since we have a public IPv4 address in the Shenzhen office, we choose the WI-Tek office Shenzhen. Next step, you need to select Network Node, and here we take WI-Tek Office Wuhan as the network node. If you have multiple projects, you can also add them as branches into the SD-LAN network. In the last step, you can check and confirm the network. Click Save. Then the SD-LAN have been added into the cloud platform. Click the SD-LAN name to check the information. The SD-LAN status is online. Now we make a test to verify the result. My laptop is connected to the network of the Wuhan office. We can check the topology of the Shenzhen office. We try to log into any device in Shenzhen. We take the cloud PoE switch as an example. We copy the IP address and log into the web page. And you can see we've succeeded. If you have any device such as laptops, NAS, or servers, you can also log in from any office. Above is content shared today. The detailed operation video of the cloud platform can be referred to in the tutorial on how to configure WI-Tek cloud product on the cloud platform. If you are interested in SD-LAN and SD-LAN products, please feel free to click the subscribe button and leave a comment.
So this is how to setting the SD-LAN. It's easy. It's simply then setting the VPN. But you need see it no need public IP. In the video, yeah, it shows need public IP. But actually, when you choose star mode, but with terminal, it will no need public IP. So here is just a video we showed maybe too fast, so I give some picture. You can see here is a I see is in the branch with some match AP connect cameras. So we have a topograph. Here is headquarters with a gateway with NVR. With SD-LAN connecting, you can see we can add this camera to this NVR. Even they are different city, different IP drives, but it can connecting. Yeah, this is a eWeb I just see. And eWeb is, as I say, you can choose any device like a camera. We can create a link, and you visit this link, you can visit the cameras. So This is when do the outdoor point. We suggestion. We suggest you can use outdoor pill switch. We suggest you can use any type of our point. Maybe sometimes you need a pill injector, and also pill extender if you want to extend the PoE and cloud is smart pill switch. Also, if you need sometime you need 4G, we suggest you can use outdoor 4GCP 1170 and some cameras. You can power cameras with a SIM card. If you want to use XLAN, you can use our gateway AC105P or any brand, a WI-Tek brand router. In the last, I want to say is our cloud server is free, so you can use it anytime. And here also, I want to show a case. This is our web cloud. You should know you can log in cloud 2.wireless-tech.com. So you can log in. When you first time log in, you can see here is a login account, and also we allow you to use our app. I just show this picture. You can scan this app, scan this code to download our app, or you can just input search the WI-Tek Cloud in the Apple Store. So now I log in. My internet at home is a little slowly. Okay, when I log in, maybe you want to say, okay, I'm a new user. I don't have your device. So in your shared, is other person shared to me to project to me. You can find a demo here. This is a demo. When you click, you can see it's a demo project. Every device on it. You will find from internet to our gateway to our pill switch, different kind of pill switch, point. We can read all the cameras. Even we can read some brand of the SIP device, SIP port device. And also this one here is our IoT controller. Inside you can show some our models like a solar pill switch. We have a solar pill switch. You can see checking the solar charge information. How about your solar system online offline? How about the battery charging? Everything on it. Charge flow, and even allow you define alarm like a 10% or charge 10%. Okay, send email to me notification, and you can try the eWeb. When you choose a camera, you can just choose the eWeb. Then it will create the link. When you choose the red service for our cloud, we deploy on Amazon AWS. So you need to choose different area. Like America or Latin America, you can choose a New York service. In the Asia, you choose Singapore, or you can choose Hong Kong. In the Euro, you can choose Germany, the service. And in the POC, when you choose, you can eWeb login, or you can in the detail, you can see the POE status. You can see here. You can choose a POE and reboot POE. It's easy. So this is our cloud. You can welcome every customer can choose it, can try it. Okay, that's all. I finished my presentation, and any friend have any questions, you can ask.
So thank you for joining this webinar. We will now open the floor for question and answer session. So if you have any question or comments, please feel free to share that in the live chat.
Okay, thank you, Byron.
Thank you, Alan. Very good, very nice, interesting presentation.
Okay, thank you. So finish.
So let's wait a minute.
Okay.
So, dear attendees, please, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them in the live chat. Now we are open the floor for question and answer session.
So no questions?
So it seems that everything is okay. So, dear attendees, thank you once again for attending this webinar,
Okay.
and we wish you all a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Baron.
So, thank you,
Everyone.
Alan.
Thank you, Victory.